morning, good morning, good morning. Bangon, bangon, bangon mga kigwars kayo pantag na pamangon na ba? So, andito kami sa elevator ng supermarket mga kigwars kasi bibili kami ng konti at kukuha kami ng tubig kasi naubusan kami ng tubig na maiinom. Ay, so, let's get basket first. Sarah, basket first. Let's go. Kachine, let's get only one basket, okay? Kinarga ko sa Rachel mga kigwars kasi tumatakbo siya. Ay, nabubuang ako sa kanya. Let's have some
strawberry. Then mango.
Mahal na yung ano mga kigwars, kamatis. Ayun. And so yung lettuce mga kigwars. Tapos yung
Christmas
bar. Okay ka na, bye. Marami ditong bilihin na kigwars. Kaso, mahal man. Oy, nagmahal na talaga yung pamilihin dito mga kigwars. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Half na siya mga kigwars. So, bilhin natin kasi sayang. Ayan. So, maraming nag-half to di mga kigwars. Dito tayo sa half. So, dalawahin natin. Kasi maraming hang. Sayang. So, ito din. Half siya mga kigwahers. Maraming half mga kigwahers. Magandang bumili kapag 50% yung presyo mga kigwahers kasi makasave ka talaga, especially dito sa Japan. Mga mahal na yung bilihin. So, why not, diba? Kasi anyway, pakakain man yan mga kigwars and napakasarap pa. So, no worries. Kahit na 50% off siya mga kigwars, masarap pa din yan. So, bili ako ng bread kasi gusto ko ito mga kigwars early in the morning. Sasaw-saw mo sa kukwa. Ayan. Honey, I bought a lot of half.
Baba. Ice.
Do you like ice cream strawberry?
First ice.
Okay.
First ice strawberry. Oh.
Bili kami ng aking kukwa mga kigwahers. Where's kukwa sa Rachan? Ah, here. So, ayan. We will buy napkin eh. Mommy has a monthly cycle. Monthly cycle. So, hanap kami ng aming makakain mga kigwahers. Yung aming dinner. Sushi kami mga kigwahers. So, ito. So, dyan, sushi. So, ayan. And, what else? Hanap tayo ng salmon. Ah, ito. Let's have this one. Where's the salmon? Ayan.
Nice.
Salad. Are we gonna buy salad? But it's okay, no need.
That's that.
Hand wash, ne? We will buy hand wash. Ayan. Let's go. Saigo. We're gonna buy ice cream, ne? So, bili kami ng ice cream na
It's
kigwahers.
very cold.
Right? We're gonna get the ice cream. Do they have rice? The asli one? 3,980.
No.
But we still have rice, right?
I love ice cream.
Okay. Excited?
Which one?
Which one do you want?
I have strawberry.
A strawberry. Let's have. Okay. What is this? This one.
Okay.
And mommy, what? Maybe I did.
I got strawberry. It's a very cold house.
It's very cold, right?
Cold house.
Nakol, Papa.
Papa.
Papa. So, bayad mo na kami mga kigwahers.
On car. Right on.
Tingin mo na kami dito sa asawa ko.
Papa.
Papa.
Hey! What are you doing, Papa?
What are you doing, Papa?
What are you doing, Papa?
Say hi. Yaki, that one. What are you eating?
I'm eating gummy.
Yaki, this one. Yaki, this yo. Strawberry ice cream. Okay, Papa is here. Punta kami sa elevator.
It's a meter up.
Hi. Okay lang man tayo magbibili niyan. So it's okay. Wait, Sar. Napandol naman ko, Sar. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. So, gabi na dito sa amin, mga kigwahers.
I'm eat over an apple.
Hmm?
An apple.
Close the door. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello?
Hello. And then we're gonna look like that.
Yeah. Yeah, because she requested honey. It's really good to eat ramen today, right? Very cold. And then gyoza.
Nabe.
Right? So, yung aming dinner na nabili kanina sa supermarket, mga kigwars, ito. At saka ito, mga kigwars, ayan. Itadakimasu. So, kain tayo, mga kigwars. Inom muna tayo ng miso soup. Kasi malamig. Okay. Where's wasabi, honey? Okay. Wasabi.
But we need to take all our toys, Daddy.
Ay. Right? Ano yung wasabi, honey? I don't know. Or maybe I'm very hungry. So, kain tayo nito, mga kigwars. Ito yung nirap nila. Ano, what do you mean? Ano daw? What do you call this one, honey?
Mihari sushi.
Miyagi sushi.
Mihari sushi.
Mihari sushi, mga kigwars. Kain tayo? Ngayon, kakain na kami ng uhagi, mga kigwars. And yung aming green tea. Ayan, mga kigwars, kain tayo. So, kain tayo. Relaxing time namin ng asawa ko. So, kumusta yung asawa ko? Yeah, still, meron pa siyang little dizzy, mga kigwars. But getting better. Ayan. Oh, you're right. Who invented? 17th century? Hinugasan ng asawa ko yung mga pinggan, mga kigwars. Napakabait ng asawa ko, mga kigwars. So, siya daw yung maglilinis ng aming kusina, mga kigwars. O, diba?
Red,
Hi.
blue,
Okay.
green,
Okay.
yellow, orange, dark blue, pink, purple, light blue, even green, ultra gray, brown, black, white,
Very good.
triangle, circle, square,
Hi.
heart,
Hi.
diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See you later.
Very good. How about this?
Goodbye.
Very good. Can you read this?
I'm sorry.
Very good. And how about this? Can you read this?
Good evening.
Good evening. Very good. How about this?
Good morning.
Very good.
I'm home.
Very good. How about this? Can you read this one?
Let's eat.
Very good. How about this?
Have good day.
Very good. Can you read this one?
Thank you.
Very good.
Ears. Mouth.
Hi.
Nose.
Hi.
Head. Shoulders. Knees.
Hi.
Leg.
Hi. How about this? What's this?
No, that's arm. No, that's back. Nose. Head. Shoulders. Toes. Eyes. Ears. Mouth. Nose.
Nag-study ka, girl.
Put our hands.
Okay.
This is the feet. This is the ring. This is the exercise.
Okay. You're doing an exercise. Atos. Oh, are you okay?
I'm tired. Going over episode. I make my nails
Okay.
red, orange, yellow, and green, and blue and purple.
Mwah.